There are a lot of things in life that come naturally to us. Something that we do every day that doesn't even cross our minds anymore just because of how normal it is. Such as watching videos, listening to audios, typing on our keyboards, or scrolling through our phones. But what if I tell you that you can make money by doing those mundane things just for a couple of minutes every day? Sounds so real, right? Honestly, I won't blame you if you think that it sounds too good to be true, but it is. No matter where you are in the world, you can do this method so you can get yourself a nice earning gig. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, or America, or anywhere at all, you can get started and earn money. No hard skills or prior experience is needed, just a bit of your time and effort. You can do this from anywhere around the globe. Whether you're using your phone or laptop, you don't need a high-end PC for this, just a little time and effort. Comment down below which country you're from, whether you're coming from Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, or somewhere else. We hope this video will help you out in making some passive income with little effort. So follow our instructions step by step and you'll learn how to do it. This isn't an MLM, there's no selling or affiliate marketing involved, and it's not a scam. It's 100% legitimate and easy. So follow along with the video where we teach you all the steps necessary so you can get started with making easy money online. This is a website that offers you 3 simple steps to earn money, and I'm here to show you what it's all about. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money. Today's website is called univoxcommunity.com. Where you'll see that you can earn money doing simple tasks. The best part is, just by signing up, you can already earn money. The sign-up process is quick and easy, and right afterward, you can already earn an instant bonus of $2. And of course, because they pay you to register for them, you don't need to pay anything to join their website. It's completely free and easy. Next, you can take surveys from invites that they will send to your email. The surveys are quick and easy, plus they don't require a lot of time to answer. Then after those websites, you will start earning rewards that you can cash out for money. They have various payout methods such as PayPal, cryptocurrency, Visa, or by giving you shop gift cards on multiple online services. So to get started, what do we need to do? First, go ahead and click on the button that says Join on their upper bar near the right corner. You will be redirected to a page where you will fill up a form to get access on their money-making website. First, email. Password. As you can see, it doesn't take more than 5 minutes to join the website and you can make a lot of money right away. You can do this from anywhere around the world. Whether you're using your phone or laptop, you don't need a high-end PC for this, just a little time and effort. Comment down below which country you're from, whether you're coming from Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, or somewhere else. We hope this video will help you out in making some passive income with little effort. So follow our instructions step by step and you'll learn how to do it. So after signing up, you can see that your account dashboard might seem a bit overwhelming because there are a lot of things to look at. But don't worry, they're direct to the point and easy to navigate. One feature on their website is a wheel that you can spin for points. This wheel will help you earn more points that you can cash out for money aside from doing surveys. There is no limit to how many surveys you can take, so you can literally just keep going and earn as much money as you want. There's no harm in trying, so why don't you give it a shot? Now that I've walked you through everything, you can go ahead and start doing it on your own. Remember that a little time and effort goes a long way, so don't be afraid to start. The website is 100% legitimate, so you don't have to worry about getting scammed. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some income online. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.